Si Jonas Villanueva, nako, nakaagaw dito ang Air 21. And Arwin Santos will slam it home. Ayun, may technical pa kasi sinilipan niya yung loob ng ring.
That's right, but you saw the long arms of Arwin Santos at work when he poked that ball away from Jonas Villanueva. Yan ang sinasabi na, yung tinatawag natin na leg. There will be a technical foul on Arwin Santos for hanging on to the rim.
Ito no? Ito yung agaw. Ito yung pasa at slam dunk ni Arwin Santos. Brought to you by Yakult. Yakult everyday okay, sigurado ka dyan. At pagkatapos ng dunk, ayun umangat pa. At technical foul ang tinawag kay Arwin.
Si Danny Siegel ang nakapasok ng technical free throw.
Ito ngayon, yung trap naman ng Air 21. Naitawid na ni Mike Cortez ang bola. Looking for the last shot of the quarter. Mike Cortez drives. Gives it to Villanueva. Daniel Defonso. He is hot. He has 17 in a ball game. And that ends it for the third quarter, mga kaibigan. At tikitan pa rin po ang ating laban. Only a 2-point lead for Air 21. Mr. Fourth Quarter Man, ano kaya gagawin niya? The fourth quarter, so far, he has 23 points. That's average 8 points in the fourth period in both wins in the series. Ngayon po, it remains to be seen. But Air 21 is up by 2, 80-78. Fourth quarter coming up next.
Buhay ko ang basket.
Hindi lang ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon.
Gusto kong sumika.
Huwag naman ang
Gusto
bola.
ko maging proud sa akin ng tatay ko.
Kahit sino naman gustong mag-MVP, di ba?
Ang laro mo. Ang pangarap mo. Ikaw na kaya ito?
Sinadwich na. Ayun, sumalok ang lalim na goal.
Sali na sa tryouts ng bayan.
Big shot after big shot. Showing us an MVP-like performance.
At baka ikaw din ang maging unang may MVP.
Yeah, that's right. This song goes out to all y'all that's been missing us for mad years. One love, yo. Yeah, that's right. He's got game. PE 1998.
If man is the father, the sun is the center of the earth, in the middle of the universe.
I have high respect for Coach Shot Tankinsen. That's why I am on my toes all the time. Lagi akong kinakabahan, lagi akong tensyonado. Kasi I know that he always has something in his pocket. Alam natin na mayroon siyang ilalabas lagi. Alam ko na I have to work doubly hard para ma-overcome ko yung skill niya as a coach.
Very honest itong si Coach Bo Perasol. Sinasabi niya, kinakabahan raw siya because he's facing itong si Coach Shot Tankinsen. And I'm sure there's mutual respect between these two coaches.
Well, si Parasol has certainly come into his own, no? As far as this conference is concerned and his career as a PBA head coach.
Simula na po ng ating fourth quarter, mga kaibigan. At mukhang magiging exciting itong finish ng ating laban as we take a look at the quarter scoring. So, Magnolia scoring with 29 points in the third rather. High scoring po itong ating laban ngayon. Ako, si KG Canaleta picked up his 5th personal foul. And remember, itong si Arwin Santos, kanina naka-ice pa yung kanang binti. Here's Daniel Defonso. Backing up against Ranidel de Ocampo.
That's 2 straight fouls now against Air 21. And what a lineup Coach Bo Perasol has on the floor. Arwin Santos and Canaleta playing together. Nandun si Ranidel. Nandun si Erwin Soto. Those are 4 big men on the floor for Air 21. Talk about trying to dominate the boards.
Ito yung si Danny Siegel against KG.
And Canaleta's fouled out. Inubos ni Danny Siegel ang foul limit ni Canaleta.
That's right, you know, and it'll be early showers here for KG Canaleta. Yung KG Canaleta, ito, humingi pa rin ng eksplanasyon mula sa ating referees kung paano naging foul yung kanyang huling foul.
Sunod-sunod yun, partner, no? Canaleta contributing only 3 points in this game.
At ayan pa rin, KG Canaleta, ayaw pang pumunta doon sa kanyang bench. He has to be careful, baka matawagan pa to ng technical.
And to open this fourth period, 3 straight fouls now against Air 21.
Yun na nga eh, no?
So baka maagang magpe-penalty ang Express.
Yun na nga.
May technical foul pa.
Technical foul na nga dito sa KG Canaleta. Ang dami ng technical fouls rin dito, no? Natawag dito sa Air 21. Kanina meron na si Steve Thomas. Ito nga ngayon si KG Canaleta. Si Winnie Arboleda.
At hindi naman pumasok yung technical free throw ni Siegel. But he'll get another pair of free throws because he was fouled in the act of shooting.
Anim na technical fouls na pala itong Air 21, ha?
At dalawa ang Magnolia.
Alright, balik action na itong si Steve Thomas at si Winnie Arboleda.
Some of the fans here for Air 21.
Oh, complete pa sila with balloons and clappers. Alright, 2 for 2 para kay Danny S. He has 7 points in the ball game. Let's see if he will finish this ball game for Magnolia. Gary David pulls up for 3, knocks it down at the press for Gary David. And who can stop this guy? Gary David, Mr. Fourth Quarter man para sa Air 21.
Only a split-second opening, ha? Ang binigay sa kanya ni Jonas Villanueva. Tumira ka agad.
26 big points for Gary David. First 3 here in the fourth quarter.
And Richard, si Gary David does need to be set up, ha?
Oo.
Creates his own shots.
Maganda rin yung catch and shoot niya, eh, no?
Oo.
Ability to just catch and shoot the basketball. Ito na naman si Gary David. This time he drives baseline. Slightly deflected. It's Jonas Villanueva, lead pass to Danny Siegel, anticipated by Erwin Soto. Arwin Santos, counter pass break para sa Air 21. He pulls up.
Oh, yes. That's money in the bank.
Grabe yung elevation, eh, no? Ng jump shot nitong si Arwin Santos. He has 13 points in the ball game.
You can't stop that kind of a shot.
5-point lead for Air 21.
Wala pa si Makaskil sa loob, ha?
Kick out pass, masyadong malakas. Danny Siegel tries to save it. Pero ito, backing violation na. But, you know, kailangan talaga gawin yun ni Danny Siegel. Otherwise, layup na yun for Air 21.
Makaskil now is checking back in.
Pero bago bumalik sa aksyon, itong si Amal Makaskil, tumawag ng timeout. Si Coach Shot Tankinsen. Hindi niya nagugustuhan nangyayari dito sa Magnolia. They are down by 5. 10 minutes and 14 remaining here in the fourth quarter.
How far can you go in one full tank these days? Proven 4 times over. Petron Extra Unleaded gives you what it takes to go a long